Welcome again to Budget with Brian on this very snowy, wintry day. I think today's got to be a workshop day. What do you think? See you inside. Welcome again to Budget with Brian, and as you can see, it's cold outside, snowing, so we're inside staying warm. As you know, we went to the FFX exhibition at Maidstone, and I bought the Bosch Cordless Edge router. Why did I buy that? I found this to be what looked to be a very neat tool, and I like cutting my hinges with a router. So this film today is about unboxing it, and we'll do a full review when I'm set up with a hinge setup. So, quite a neat small box. If we take it out of its box, what do we get? Well, we get the standard book. I defy anybody to have read this book. It's in 100 different languages, no pictures. I shouldn't think it ever gets touched ever again by anybody except when you send the tool back. So here's the tool, and it comes out of the box. That's what it looks like. The model number is GKF 12v-8. I don't know what the -8 means. We'll come to its features in a moment. It comes with its collet. That's a 1/4" collet. And inside the box, you've got what it looks like a very nice spanner. So, what does the tool offer? Well, first of all, when one is changing collets or tools, you need a good firm fix so that you can't accidentally switch the tool on. Very neat, that. Very neat. The second standard feature that you might expect is a lock on the up and down pieces of it. This is one lock, but on the other side there's the other lock which you can push in and it slides up and down. Once you're in a rough position, you can use the micro screw here to micro adjust. Very useful when you're doing hinges because they need to be pretty well exact. And underneath, if you want to lock it in position even further, there's a grub screw there which will lock that in position. That's a good feature, but I mean, this is designed to lock the whole thing together anyway. Pretty useful. Now, the other thing I like about this is a brushless tool. You don't usually get brushless except in the more expensive tools, and this is brushless, so that's makes it a good tool. Its switch on the side is on-off. Now, I much prefer on-off switches because it is a pain in the neck when you're having to keep your finger on a button to keep the motor running. But it has a further safety feature that if the battery runs out and I leave it switched on and I put the battery in, it won't start. Useful feature, that. So altogether, its sole plate is small. It doesn't have a guide. This is a handheld operation. This is use it by eye. And the way I cut hinges, when you see how I cut the hinges, that's perfect for this kind of tool. And again, the second reason I bought this is when you're at the bottom of a door, you need as much space as you can get. And this tool does it. So, quite a neat tool. It was about £100 at the exhibition on special offer, of course. I only buy stuff on special offer. And we'll show it to you in its full glory in another film later. We promise to show you the bodgeometer at every film now. And look how well we're doing. Yeah, we'll get more subscribers and more viewings. So, instead of subscribe, the button isn't up there, I've just discovered, it's down there. So, or even on the left, down there. So you subscribe and don't forget, comment as well. Thank you for watching.